Okay. Hi, my name is Bill Duquette. I'm a senior counsel on the real estate team at Jacobowitz and Gubits in Walden, New York. And today we're going to talk about why you should hire an attorney for your real estate transaction. Sellers and purchasers both face many risks and consequences that things that can go wrong in a real estate transaction. Some of these are discussed in a series of articles on our website. For a seller, can you be responsible for paying a broker even if the transaction does not close? For purchasers, can you lose your down payment if you don't get your financing? Also for purchasers, are there any risks that aren't covered by title insurance? Well, the answers to all these questions are yes, you can face consequences even with those items. So should a seller give a property condition disclosure statement that's required by statute? It's 48 questions that about the condition of the property, but the statute also provides for a $500 credit, and there are a few exemptions for trust and estates and things like that that don't have to give that. What about modifications to a so-called standard real estate contract that may be necessary to protect a buyer or a seller? A survey, why is it recommended and what problems can be avoided by getting the survey? What about pitfalls with a common driveway or a common road? Common interest communities such as a cooperative apartment, a condominium, or a homeowners association is a specialized area of law that has its own intricacies that need to be examined as part of your transaction. Also, the different types of deeds that are available. What's the difference between a quitclaim deed or a bargain and sale deed? What is the significance of the different loan documents you may be signing at the closing when you finance? When you're buying services as opposed to a commodity, you're looking for knowledge and experience. People also, when they're shopping for services, are looking for inexpensive, fast, and high-quality services. But the reality is you're going to get 2 out of the 3. Not all attorneys the same, and there's some questions you should be asking to be able to differentiate between attorneys. Is the attorney an experienced real estate attorney? Not all attorneys deal with real estate, and they're really not as qualified to deal with the intricacies of a real estate transaction. What services will the attorney provide? Is everything included in a flat price, or are there a bunch of additional fees that will add up during the transaction? Will the attorney provide timely personal service that you deserve? Some attorneys, you may be dealing strictly with a legal assistant or a paralegal through the transaction, and it's very difficult to talk to the attorney. How long will it take the attorney to draft your contract if you're a seller, or to review the contract and prepare a rider to protect your interest if you're a purchaser? What happens if there's a scheduling conflict, if the attorney is sick or on vacation? Are there other attorneys available to cover your transaction for them? Given the large investment being made in your real estate transaction and the potential for serious consequences, choosing the real estate team at Jacobowitz and Gubits for fast, high-quality service is a wise choice.